Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu nginamukele ku Gogo Bathini Mbatha TV. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngeplan B. Gogo yini iplan B? But mina namhlanje ngibuza wena mlaleli la ukhona ukuthi njoba umbukeli ubuka i-channel uyi-subscriber mhlawumbe it's the first time uhlangana nama video Gogo Bathini, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification button for more videos, educative videos regarding issues of culture, rituals and life in general. Gogo yini i-plan B? Gogo mina ngibuza wena yini, do you have a plan B? What is your plan B? Nganiza kwethu, what do you do after you have tried everything? We are sonta ningxolele isonto, it's one of examples engawasebenzisa engifikele eduzana. We are sonta and everything, and things are not going well. We are sebenza, things are going well and everything, but you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What is your plan B? What is your plan B if ever you fastile, man, as in you tried, you did everything? What is your plan B? Ikuphi la uthembele khona futhi? I'll give you another example. Sihlezi la in South Africa, we have SAPS, which deals with crimes and everything, and we have amasoja that deals with things that are in a much bigger scale. So that is the plan B, yani ye state la sikhona. Let's say kunama riots and everything. Okay, it's fine. Ama riots lawa manje sekufuneka ini kutshalwe amasoja. Awatshala noma ikuphi amasoja ngeke ahambe ayobophela umuntu ukuthi utshontshe i-chocolate esitolo. Ngeke kwenze lokho. Kodwa amasoja asuke atshalwa ngoba kukhona into esedinga a special team. Even within SAPS, you do have ama ranks that are different, about intelligence, whatever, like iskibengu lesi SCPs ne phone. Case yakhona intelligence manje na bayamtracer because of abantu iningi labantu abalahlekele izimali through iskill amkhoba, and i-voice yakhe they've traced it and they've realized ukuthi umuntu one, but he's working with a lot of people abamnika ama-account number, izinto efana lezo. But we're not talking about igebengu lana, we're building futures here. I-plan B yakho ke as a person yini? What is your plan B? Yini le uthembele kuyona ukuthi wegogo yabona mina mase ngikhulekile ngahluleka into engeke ngiyenze saluka sendoda ngihambe nje umthandazi wangakithi mangithola ichibi lala mthandazi izinto zami zihamba kahle. That is plan B. Wegogo mina plan B yami ngihambe ngiye kumuntu ohlolayo ke ngibheke ukuthi impilo yami ingiphatheleni, ikusasa lempilo yami lengiphatheleni. That is a plan B. Gogo mina without ukuthi ngize ngilinde ukuthi izinto zize zihambe kabi, ngicikelele nje ukuthi ongenani onyakeni ngawu4 ngiba ne treatment each and every season. Kuba ne treatment nje ngena kuyo ukuyihlanza nje ukuthi izinto zami zikhanye, ngiqume ngiphalaze ngincinde ngezinto ezifana lezo. That is your plan B. It works. The bottom line nganiza kwethu, you need a plan B. You cannot guarantee impilo. Impilo doesn't have guarantees nganiza kwethu. Don't relax until there's a big problem. Normally people call and say, Gogo ngidinga ukubona nginenkinga engasukuma phansi, angisazi ngithe ngivala lana kuyavuleka, ngithi ngivala lana gogo kuyavuleka, gogo angisazi, I have so much problems. Gogo, I need to see you. Gogo, what must I do? Gogo, I need to see you. I have problems. Ngenze njani gogo? You waited until izinto zibaningi. Why? Because of ubungenai plan B. You were just relying kumuntu oyedwa. Because why? You didn't have a plan B. And guys, a plan B, it doesn't mean umuthi all the times. This is not a marketing platform for Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Saka imizi yo baba mkhulu lana. sakha impilo zobaba mkhulu lana, sakha ifuture yabazukulu nabazukulu abazayo ukuthi kube khona ama-references, because sesiphila ey'khathini zane ze-technology manje whereby we have YouTube or WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever platforms that we have that we need to utilize for the future generation to be able to have an access, because sokuyona ndlela lokuthola i-information. So lana asikhulumi njena ngokuthi sipromota i-issue yomuthi. Whatever plan B you have, that's a plan B that you need. But into engiyishoyo ukuthi don't stick on one thing uyitshela ukuthi mina gogo ngiyathandaza, hayi ngigrand, ngisemthandazweni, ngisesontweni, ngi-right, angindawo ngiyasonta mina, and that's it. Ngiyakhuleka mina, akukho kunye ongikwenzayo. Even if that mkhuleko of yours it's working for you, even if umuthi wakho it's working for you, have a plan B. I know of people bebasebenzisa umuthi before umuthi ugcina ungamsebenzeli, umuntu ekhuleka izinto zakhe eqhume zivuleke, asebenzise nje nena ukukhuleka nje, thandaze, guqe phansi, thandaze, afaste enze izinto zakhe ivuleke. So umuthi, it's not the only solution. It's not umuthi, it's not ukuthi uzolapha zonke inkinga esibhekane nazo, but it's an alternative. It's a plan B. But what is your plan B? Have you ever thought of ukuthi hey wekho ngiyakuzwa uyakhuluma lokuzana yazi lento ikhuluma iqiniso. There's a guy who was working a very good job, very good job. Bekafikile ekhaya yesterday. Very good job. He didn't have plan B. He didn't study. Studying is a plan B as well. Ukuthi, this is what you were hired for. This is what you know how to do. But you have studied something else on top of what we know. That is another plan B. So it's not a matter of much. So this guy didn't study. This guy didn't look for work. This guy was relaxing. Only to find out ukuthi the company is owned by one person, and the company is not owned by a trust. Ukuthi uyinukazi make sure na lokozana take off, the trust will take over and hire people to do the work. The company was so successful that even the employees, they've realized, man, this company has been here for 20 years. It's not going anywhere. But the news came. It was on the Monday. The guy died on Friday. He was buried on Friday while he was on holiday. He's Muslim. And they had to shut down. They have lost their work. The only thing that they were left with is a pension fund. What happened to the pension fund? Thenga iveni uzoqhashisa ngayo ingane zesikolo in uthi uvulisa ilokhuzana isiphaza shop, uthi uvula itavern kuyabheda in imali phelile. Why? He didn't have a plan B while impilo was okay. He was relying on one thing, on that job, ukuthi mina ngiyasebenza into zami zihamba right, ngisharp mina emsebenzini. Wa rely kulo msebenzi loyo kuphela, azange abe ne plan B. And then what happened? Uphelelwa umsebenzi, uphelelwa imali, akazi ukuthi uzenzani. So guys, you need to have a plan B. You need to have a plan B. We spoke last week about ukuthi there's nothing called job security. That's why you need a plan B. Nyabala ama video ayahlangana aba isibalo. I know I still owe you indaba yamabhayi, uhlalo, yamakhandlela. I know all of those series. We're working on a proper studio whereby we'll be able ukuthi masikhuluma ngento senze ama practicals niyibone live izinto masikhuluma ngamabhayi abesedozane in an environment whereby it's going to be conducive for the video and sound. So guys, message for today is very short. What is your plan B? Full stop. Have a plan B. Whether your plan B is to pray, whether your plan B is umuti, whether your plan B is ichibi, whether your plan B is going back to school, whether your plan B is get that special training, it's okay. As long as you have a plan B, that's what matters. Esikhathini esiphila kuso njenganamhlanje. Sicela kwasendoda uGogo Bathini Mbatha uLocksmith. Uma vula kuvela emzini amanye amadoda. Umzingelwa yigebengu negilamkhuba eyintshontsha imali zabantu zithi zizenza yena ngeke balunga. Sicela kwasendoda. Thokozani bogogo lomkhulu.